How to use split screen on Mac efficiently. Guys, if you are using a Mac and you usually work with more than one app at the same time, then honestly, split screen is something you should definitely be using. It makes multitasking way easier and save a lot of time. Let me quickly show you how to set it up step by step. It's actually really simple. First, open the two apps you want to use together. Now move your cursor to the top left corner of one window. You'll see the red, yellow and green buttons. Just click and hold the green button for a second. Your Mac will then ask you if you want to place the window on the left or right side of the screen. Just pick one. After that, select your second app and it will automatically snap into the other half of the screen. And now you're working in split screen mode. If you want to adjust things, just drag the divider in the middle. To exit, click the green button again and you are back to the normal view. That's it. If you found this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.